Hey guys, so you got your old-fashioned table saw, any type of table saw here, and I'm going to show you what to do if your top is rusted and you might not be able to slide as good. Maybe it's doesn't have a lot of give. It just lost its shine, lost its character. I'm going to show you one product here, Brasso. Another product here, beeswax. Alright, this is what you do. First, you clean your top off here. Get any rag. Got an air compressor. Blow it off real good. If not, just keep wiping her down. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to do one with Brasso here. And the other one we're going to do beeswax. You just swirl it all in here. Just like you're waxing your car. For all of you that don't like toxic fumes, this does put out a little bit of an odor, so if you don't like it, wear a mask. Alright, we're going to open up the barn door here. That was before, this is after right here. And you just keep rubbing this in. More and more. And it'll get cleaner. Now, on to the beeswax. Now once you open this up, guys, put it in the house. There you go. Just like where you're buffing a car. Same way. See it working? Or you can do it from this side. Doesn't matter. Now what I like to do also is I like to get a bunch of these. I put them in a pan. I put them in the kitchen. I let them get hot, just like you're melting a candle. And then after that, I put it on here and it'll be fine. The other thing I do too is after I get done with the brasso, then I go over it with the beeswax. Because what you're trying to establish here is a slick cast iron top and prevent it from rusting out. Because that is what happens to cast iron. Because it's sitting in a non-heated garage or barn or wherever, and it'll do just like that. It'll just rust. So that's it, guys. That's my tip on how to make your cast iron tabletop for your saws look pretty much like brand new again and put a nice shine on her. So that's it. So if you guys like this content, be sure to like, subscribe. Later.